This is Nader El-Dajani with NEVKA Composite Housing. We are a Turkish company. We're here to present our products at the Big Five. Our products are actually a multitude of products that depend on the use of fiber and PVC. We do housing, basically picnic housing. We do sphere domes, and multiple other solutions where you can build a house in a very short period of time. So this is one of the things that we do. So if you look at some of the domes that we have in here, and actually the dome we're in right now, we built it as part of the construction of our exhibit in here. This is some of the things that we do for gardens, which is really lovely. Plus, we also do the buildings. As you see in here, we have small houses, we have triangle houses, containers, refugee camps, trailers. We also do water tanks, 3D wall panels. So we have a multitude of products that we work with. This is some of the products, but we also do paneling, wall paneling, roofs. We do for factories, flooring, and this is some of the capabilities we have. We also have some pipes, tubing, and so on. Instead of aluminum, we can use our products, which are basically fiber with resin, which makes it much stronger and much more durable as well. Some of the products that were very important to us, some of the products we do is the rebar, and this is really very important product because this replaces steel. This product here is about 5 times less weight than the steel. That's number one. Number two, it's lighter than, I said lighter than steel. It's stronger than steel, so it's strong, light, durable. It lasts much longer than steel. You can build with this for 80 to 100 years with no problem. You don't have to worry about humidity, damage, and so on. Very strong, very durable, very light. We can do also these bars for bridges and so on, so you can build with this product. Again, this is stronger than steel. So you're talking about a product that can hold its place, a steel place, and at the same time, not going to be damaged by water, damaged by the elements. So you have something that can last a long time, protect the environment much better, and much lighter on as you build the product. So we also do some of these paneling with the PVC inside. This is for protection, for heat and for sound resistance. This is the products that you can use. We also do piping. So these are some of the pipes that we do also using PVC and other products. But this is some examples of the products that we're capable of doing. Somebody asks us to do something different, something special, we're able to do it for them as well. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.